Hello, here from our Robot and Welding Demo Corner. Let's directly start with LAPRISS, our lasing welding technology.
Traditionally, metal pots, such as auto body panels, were welded by resistance welding, using electrical resistance or arc welding, using the discharge phenomena in the air. But with LAPRISS laser welding technology, Panasonic has created a more accurate welding solution. LAPRISS combines the various elements necessary for laser processing, such as robotic technology, the welding head and resonator, equipped with a state-of-the-art wavelength beam combining technology, to create the world's first remote laser welding robot system armed with a 4 kW direct diode laser. LAPRISS delivers defect-free, flexible welding by using a proprietary spiral and spin laser motion. It also enables precise welding with less distortion, so there is no longer a need for a welding margin. This helps to make welding objects lighter and gives greater freedom in design. In addition, because it realizes high power density with low heat input welding, you can weld at shorter spot intervals, which improves the toughness of the weld section. The mobility of the robot means that it can easily avoid any obstacles and focus the direct diode laser in the correct position, however difficult the shape. By calculating and combining the movements of the handling arm and head arm so that they move as one, along a single trajectory and at a single speed, it can maintain a posture better suited to welding than when using a positioner, even when welding complicated shapes.
Well, I do hope that you've got some new and inspiring insights here from our Robot and Welding demo room. So now it's your chance to reach out to us and get your individual customer experience center tour scheduled. Don't forget to check out next week's sessions. It will be all about logistics and warehousing.